Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to our channel. My name's Taryn, this is Kendra, and this is Living an OK Life.
So today we are going to show you the downtown home tour that's brought to you by the Downtown OKC Partnership. This year they are showing 7 different properties. They're apartments and condominiums. They're ranging from about $1,400 a month in rent all the way up to about $1 million if you want to buy the places. So we're gonna go check that out. If you're new here, welcome. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that post notification bell so you'll be notified each time we release a video. And if you want to support our channel, they have a new thanks button as well. You can go tap that and check it out. Up first are the Villa Teresa residents. They are located at Classen Drive and North Dewey Avenue, right in Midtown. This is the most expensive property we looked at, sitting around $1 million. Depending on the size of these townhomes, they range from $945,000 all the way up to $1.1 million. They also have an HOA fee ranging around $500 a month. This particular unit was 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, with an attached 2-car garage and a huge covered balcony. It's brand new construction, so they're still working on parts of this building. There's 3 levels with elevator access and a great view of the downtown skyline. It's certainly in a walkable neighborhood, so there's plenty to do around here as well. Second, we have the Bower, which are condos located downtown on 4th Street. This particular unit was the Pearson floor plan, and it's 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2,056 square feet with a small balcony and a private yard. These units are here to own rather than rent, so it's gonna cost around $799,000 to get into something like this. It's 2 stories and even comes with a 1-car garage and 1 covered parking space. These condos also have a walking score of 75 and a biking score of 86, so it's around everything. In the home, you'll find modern features like quartz countertops with an island waterfall edge, hand-blown glass kitchen pendants, and handcrafted backsplash from Spain. Up next is the Civic Condominiums. They're located on the northern edge of downtown Oklahoma City, right across from the Civic Center Music Hall. So if you like art, this is a perfect area to be in because of course you have performances at the Civic Center, and you're also right down the street from Oklahoma City Museum of Art, and you also have front row access to the Arts Festival that happens right on this very block each year. So this particular unit is 1,595 square feet. It's 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom, and it comes with 2 parking spots in a gated area. It starts at $375,000. Now this also has a little balcony, and they call it a Juliet balcony, so you can see why. So they even have plenty of storage and an open floor plan from the kitchen to the living room. And did you check out the 5 eyes on the stove? So that's great if you love to cook. The 4th property we went to check out are the Maywood Apartments. If you're not looking to buy real estate downtown, this is perfect because you can rent here. These are located in the historic Deep Deuce neighborhood downtown. The apartment we saw was the B1 floor plan, which is 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom, and 935 square feet, and starts around $1,775 a month for a 10-month lease. This is a mother-in-law floor plan with the bedrooms on either side with the living room in the middle. They have a full-size washer and dryer included, large closets, and garden tubs. Some of the community features include monthly resident events, elevators, parking garages, fitness facilities with classes, and a lounge area with a pool and tanning deck. Okay, so now we're on to the 5th property, which was probably our most favorite place to tour. It's Block 42. This residential community consists of townhomes and condos. The property we saw is a 3,100 square foot townhouse with a 2-car garage sitting at $799,000. It's 3 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and a half a bath in the kitchen. On the first floor, you'll find the garage in one of the bedrooms with its own bathroom. As you walk up the stairs to the second floor, you will find the kitchen, living, and dining area. This is such a great space to entertain in. You even have a balcony and a dual fireplace. On the 3rd floor, you will find the master suite and the 3rd bedroom. The master has a huge, beautiful bathroom with a large walk-in closet and double sinks. In this townhome, you'll find a lot of space for downtown living, so it still gives you that urban feel without being too crowded in your own home. You even have a rooftop balcony on the 4th floor. We didn't get to access it that day since it wasn't finished, but I'm sure the views were quite nice up there. The 6th property on the list is the Hill at Bricktown. Fun fact, if any of you are familiar with Kevin Durant, he actually used to live in one of the units here. This luxurious home is 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths with a huge attached 3-car garage and an elevator. It's $719,000. Every detail in this home was thoughtfully chosen, from the gorgeous lighting down to the plush carpeting. The very first thing we noticed was the grand kitchen, with commercial-grade appliances, custom cabinets, and a built-in wine fridge. Out of all the places, this one felt more homey, like a house, rather than a townhome or a condo. It had a large living room with a fireplace and a patio right outside. I'm not sure how much the HOA fees here are, but they do include a lot, like property insurance, exterior maintenance including the roof, natural gas, basic cable, high-speed internet, and access to the resort-style pool, hot tub, barbecue, fire pit, conference rooms, gym, and a dog park. So you get a lot of amenities here, just like a luxury apartment. I forgot to mention earlier that most of these homes are still up for sale, so I will be listing all of the realtors' info in the description box just in case you're interested in taking a tour yourself. So last but not least on the tour is the 7th property, which is the Steelyard Apartments. They're fairly new construction located right in Bricktown. The floor plan we looked at was the AG, which is 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 894 square feet, and it ranges from $1,400 to $1,600 a month. The thing I liked most about these apartments were the community amenities. It's pet friendly, has a resort style pool, a business center for meetings, a clubhouse that can be rented out, a coffee bar, and a well-equipped fitness center. While we were there, we actually met some awesome ladies, one of which does her own art. Her name is Miss Ronna Purnell of Purnell Images, and she was actually there looking to place her art in homes for staging. So if you're looking for art, check her out. She even did an awesome little impromptu video for our channel. I will link her info in the description box below as well. Here she is.
Good afternoon. I'm Ronna Purnell of Purnell Images. I'm a visual artist in Oklahoma City. Connected with my people today. We were all doing the downtown tour. Me and my niece are doing some research on trying to get some artwork in some of these staging properties. So hopefully you guys have a good evening.
Alright you guys, it's gonna wrap this video up. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed to our channel. That way you do not miss out on any of the videos we are posting. We will see you guys next time. Bye.